Oh shit. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? What happened? Oh, I woke up and I saw them over there, and my gun's empty, so I had to do that. Well, thank you. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to alert them, or... Nah, it's okay, that makes sense, you know, I'd do the same thing if someone fell on me while I was sleeping. Well, damn. That's weird. Yeah, wait, I saw a body, like, that looked kind of similar to that. Wait. That... Ballora shot that pink bear before. Wait, what? Oh, I did? What? What do you... How would Ballora shoot anybody? I kind of instructed her on where, but, like... That pink bear attacked us when we were, like, when you guys were all out in groups. Are you sure it's the exact... It's the exact one, down to the T. Like, that is the exact same bear. Something weird's happening here. Well, everyone, we still have to group up and go find the traitor, no matter what. So, this is definitely weird, but we can't really figure it out right now anyway, so let's just split into groups. Yeah, me and Fox are going to the trader. The trader is someone who trades things, and we're looking for ammo for all the guns that don't have it. Oh, I know the trader. He's giving me some medicine sometimes for some ammo that I got from the Twisted Ones. So, any volunteers? I'll go. Really? I mean, okay. Here, while you're out there, use this. You can take this, considering your gun's empty. Thank you. Can I go? Oh, I mean, we kind of wanted this to be a fast trip, and a safe one. I saved Orville, didn't I? It's true, she did save me. Maybe she'll be helpful, I mean, who knows? I mean, we lasted on the road for longer than you guys technically did. I mean, I know you guys, but you guys kind of set up base. We didn't, we just kept moving. Well, what do you say, co-leader? Okay, you know what, yeah, sure. This is our team. Stay safe, Ballora. Yeah, stay safe. Yes, please. Oh, I will. So I don't exactly know where the trader is because he moves a lot, but I know where, if I remember correctly, like I know how he moves and how he sees more people. So follow me and we'll try and go in that direction, and eventually we'll find him. So this might be longer than a day. Well, see you guys when I see you. Good luck. Shouldn't we be telling you that? I mean, you're the one going out there. Good luck, all of you. Stay safe. Don't let the door hit you on the way out. Pack up for winter. Prepare for night. This isn't even like saying goodbye. It's just like warning. What are you doing? Oh, wait. Au revoir. What are you... Oh. What? Nothing. I mean, none for Krusty. Who else even came with me? Ballora, she didn't have a weapon, did she? Oh, yeah. We'll be back. The sun's starting to set. Yeah. Do you think they'll be okay out there? Chica. They'll be alright. And so will we. I want you to know that I'm always here. I know you are. You've been here the whole time. And I can't thank you enough for it. Ever. I can think of a few ways. Alright, who's ready for the game? We're playing a game? Yeah, we are. Well, not Freddy. He's still healing from... well, we know what. Wait, I didn't hear about this. What happened? Oh, he shot a horse to try and get for food. But apparently so were, you know, those people. What people? You know, Freddy and Foxy and all them. Yeah, but it wasn't them. It was Springtrap, Mangle, Phantom Foxy, and Chica. Well, what happened? Well, I went for the horse the same time they did. And then we had a bit of a firefight. I got shot right in the stomach and in the eye. This eye right here is fake. Oh, what? You lost your eye? Yeah, I did. But, you know, it is what it is. So what happened next? I did tag him, though. Tag who? And where? Phantom Foxy and in the neck. Oh. Yeah. That is pretty cool. Anyway, Freddy, you should go rest. We have a game to play. Alright, see you later. Well, what game are we? Oh. That game. You take it? I think we'll know how it works. Okay. This one's kind of hard to roll. I don't see a bullet in there. Oh, there's a bullet in there. It's hard to see. Okay, should I go first? Yeah. Oh. Guys, shouldn't we, like, not do this? I mean, like, we're gonna need as much, like... Oh, that's boring. Who cares? We're already a head start. She has a point, you know. I really just think that we can... Come on, do it. Yeah, don't be a chicken. Hey, I'm gonna go get a snack. This is boring. He's taking too long. No, I can't just shoot them all, because there's only one bullet. But what if this is the bullet? I just gotta hope it's not. Oh my god. My turn. What? It's jam. There we go. Oh. 5. Please be the one. Please. Oh. 6. What? But no. This should be Foxy's, right? It's not fair. He could just leave. What if I want to leave? Well, it wasn't his turn then, but it's your turn now. Yeah, don't chicken out just because you know what it is, right? I mean, if you did that, we'd probably have to shut all the doors and kill you. Okay, I think my only chance of living is to try and graze my head with the shot. And so that way, Wolf will hear it, and he'll come here to see, and then I'll get rushed to the nearest doctor or something. What? What? That was perfect, guys. Perfect. What? Oh, you didn't like it? It was a joke. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, you're always so about life, you know, we thought this could be funny. Yeah, that was a good one, guys. You got me. Wait. You know, I was thinking though, wouldn't that be fun? A little Russian roulette. We should not really between us, you know. That's no fun. But we should do that to someone else. Huh? Oh, yeah. That does sound fun. You know, get two people down, let them play, especially our enemies. You know, our enemies could really deserve that. You usually try and spare people. People, not our enemies. They're not people in my eyes. Now that is what I like to hear. But yeah, that's a good point. Well, I mean, I think that could be really fun, like you said. Good. We'll look for victims now. So this is the famous traders, huh? Yeah, this is it. Pink. Wait up. Oh, monkey. And who's this? Name's Woody. See, I'm running a town around here. Good Sam, the sheriff. Anyway, I'm more interested about what you have for me. Was that whole town thing supposed to make me interested or impressed or something? You should watch what you say. Woody, you need to stop. He doesn't know what he's saying. Oh, I know what I'm saying, do I? Look. What's going on? Ah, great, I would have to wait for them to be done. Yes, my town is impressive. If I wanted a town, I would have made one. Look at your two friends here, they're warning you not to mess with me. Almost everyone in this little arena knows me. Hell, even people who showed up in the gate a couple days ago know me. And what? Is that supposed to impress me? You know what? I like you. Here's a bullet free on the house. It is real. See, that's on the house because you've been such a good... what is it? What are they called? Jesters. I'll be back. I'm sure you will. Have a nice day. I'm so sorry. Oh, Woody, what have you... Oh. Looks to be done. Okay. Why are there kids in here? Like with the trader or in general? The arena, the trader, wherever in here. Let's just trade. Woody, by the desk. Look! What? What about them? Oh, look, we don't need to start any trouble in here. I'm not saying in here, but that red fox with the sombrero guy. Oh. That's them, huh? Let's go. What, that's it? We're not gonna... Oh, no. What was that about? I don't know. Look, we're lucky he's letting us sleep here. Let's just... Let's just mind our own business. Okay. Oh, hello. What brings you people here? Look, we need some ammunition, and we need... Was that it? Basically, yeah. I mean, we can get food and medicine other ways. I mean, you found some medicine, right? We have like a bottle left. We'll just see the prices. Hey, what is the prices for medicine and ammo? Here. What? What is that? Have 3 magazines and 3 bottles of medicine for free. Really? Yeah, it's to keep her alive. What? Thank you, but like, what do you mean? She'd always show up, and I could tell she was always scared and just didn't know what to do. I wanted to offer her a place here, but at the time there was no room. And I thought she died, honestly. I haven't seen her in months. So this is a good site. And it's your first time being here. I like to give my first-time shoppers a reason to come back. Well, that's what we get for nothing. What can we get for something? Let's see. Okay. We have 3 pieces of either chicken, any part, really, except for the feet and like the, you know the chicken part. Some steak, or 3 horses, alive or dead. 3 horses alive would get you 2 of everything. Well then, what did we bring? 2 horse meat. And by the way, I meant 2 of everything per horse. Like each horse would give you 2 of everything. You get like 2 pieces of food, 2, so more than 2 in total, because you brought 3 live horses I could breed. Anyway, so 2 pieces of meat could get you 1 medicine bottle or 1 magazine of any kind, but I'll throw in an extra magazine if you want. I can't throw in an extra medicine bottle, or I can just give you 1 medicine bottle and a free magazine. I think we'll just take the 2 magazines. We need it. Okay. Here you go. That went well. I told you he was cool. Alright. If that will be all, thank you for shopping. Hope to see you again soon. I think in about a week you'll be kind of around our area where our base is set up. So, maybe we can come find you again. Stock up. And you can find a lot. If only we knew about this, we would have been hunting a lot more and rationing, and maybe this is time we start making farms and like getting horses, and breeding them. That does seem like a good idea. Let's talk about that with Freddy, or you should talk about that with Freddy anyway. But for now, we have everything we need. Thank you. No problem. Let's go. Kid, you been over there for a while. You alright? I'm gonna be moving up pretty soon. It's getting real late. Kid. What? He's dead. Here, if you guys want, I can take this stuff and I can go up ahead. Bring him back to the base quicker. How do you know I'm closer to the base? I can feel it inside my chest and in my feet, beneath the ground. I memorized the steps we take. That's pretty cool, actually. I've been told. Then yeah, sure, just make sure when you're climbing it doesn't fall. Oh, I know. She's really interesting. She is. I don't know how she does this stuff. Yeah. Ah! Ah! What the? I'll deal with it, don't worry. Krusty? Miss, what's the matter? Who are you? Tell God that Woody sent you. Krusty! Oh no. You! Shoot him quick! Foxy! No! No! Oh! Yeah, we sent a good enough message that we're coming back. So right up there, huh? That's where they live? Yep. Now we gotta go now, quick. What is up with him? We gotta get back to the traders. No, you'll be okay. I promise you.